This is a 40-inch adjustable chandelier by Pipes. The lengths needed adjustable on the ceiling to angle on any slope sailing chateau. If you are looking for a 6 LED light, 60-watt rated, this chandelier may be right for you. So let's check out what we get inside the box and how to install. Opening up the box, nicely packaged, has protected your chandelier parts as we pull out the shafts, 6 of them. We have here are the cap cover for the top mount and hardware. We have the instruction guide to go over. We have the 3 shafts that add up to 40 inches in length, piece parts. One is pivoted. We have the chandelier itself with the cable that we're going to open up. As we put on the upper bracket, get the bars, choose the height, screw in, run the cable through, and we're going to snake the leads in. We're going to show you how simple it is to put the cap on, put the star lock washer, the ground and nut, and tighten up and place on top of the junction bar and lock into place with wire nuts and close on down. As we spread open each of the arms, very simple indeed, we're going to then take the shaft covers 4 inches over the sockets, the E26 bulbs not included. Add in your own bulbs, smart bulbs, regular candelabra bulbs, or whatever LED bulbs, 60-watt rated. This is the tiltable chandelier for chateaus. Different angles you can put it on, different heights, shows the light and all. I hope this is a product that you are looking for your kitchen, dining room, living room, hallway, tall ceilings, moderate heights, indeed, up to 40 inches or more. Controllable by dimmer, different lights and all. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.